welcome back to a new episode. Today we're gonna fix the stays page, the dining page, the category pages. And yeah, so in the previous episode, we actually made some changes to the whole UI. We changed the branding, so it looks more clean now. I didn't fix the pricing yet because we need to add some more data to the database. We don't have the tables yet. So I want to add a short description so we can replace this. Then the price per night I want to add. I want to see if I can pull this from booking.com. So we integrate it. I'm not sure if this is possible. Then for dining, the same average price per meal. And then we updated this. So today what I want to do, I actually already made a start, is redo this page. So the cards are fine. It's just that we need to fix the filter, the category, and the stays, the hero. So I went in and asked Aura Chat, the one that we started using yesterday, to come up with a design, and I actually kind of like it. So I'll show you guys. If you like my content, please make sure to subscribe. And yeah, so today what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix this page and the dining page. And what I'm thinking to do is to keep the color. So for the dining, use the, let's see, the green color, I think, and for the stays, the brownish color. And then for experience, we can use the blue, maybe. So we can use all those colors and we keep the brand consistency. All right, let's get into the episode and let's make some changes to the whole branding experience. Okay, so what I did, I asked it based on the previous design to come up with a design that fits the branding better. So it came up with this, which I kind of like. Only thing we need to do is, I think, just copy this, just as we did yesterday, copy. Then we're gonna open cursor. And, oh wait, I asked it. For the logo, handle, play, fair, display, menu, items, enter. I asked it yesterday to make the logo change because this was still the old font. So I want to make sure that that is all aligned. And I so currently in the design, we have this, but it's kind of ugly. I kind of like it that it's just centered. The best place to say in Bali. Personally tested, quality guaranteed, 47 pick hand-picked stays. So this should be just a calculation of the stays. And then we have the filters here. And then this should be going to the navigation page. So whenever we prompt it, we just need to make sure that it's done properly. Cursor. Okay, sure. Okay, for the ad stays marketing page, since we're doing a rebranding, I came up with this design. Can you implement this? Just make sure that the current functionality stays the same. We can actually use Super Whisper. So on the stays page, we currently have the category pages that link to the actual category page. So that needs to stay intact. Then I think the cards we can keep as is for now. And then the filter and the hero and all the stuff need to be updated. Just make sure we use the global CSS styles so we have consistency. And then for the browse by category icons, please use icon library we're already using. And then show the categories that we are handling. So currently for the stays page, I think active is hotels, resorts, and villas. So use those. And yeah, for the filters, please make it like functional as shown there. And yeah, use the sandy background for the hero. And for the I think now it says 47 handpicked stays. Make this a calculation of how many stays are in the database. So if you can start implementing this for me, that will be amazing. Okay, so we're gonna send this to cursor. Then whenever this is done, I'm gonna get back to you guys. And I think for this, the good thing is that we can implement the same for, so we have those category pages. So we can just reuse it here. And then also for dining, we can use the same style. And then the only thing is, then I think in tomorrow's episode, what we're gonna do is the single pages. So we need to figure out a new design for that and then restyle this. Or let me show you this one. This one already has some data. So here I wanna revise this, the pro tips we need to do in a different way. And then after we revise the whole UI, what we're gonna do is go back to the sheet we made in 2 episodes ago, where we make a whole list of data points that we're currently missing and that we still need to implement. So whenever cursor is done, we're gonna revise it together. Probably we need to make some changes, and then from there on, we'll move forward. Okay, it's saying it's done. Hero section updated, breadcrumb navigation, new type of reuse and flavor display for the main heading. Okay, let's revise if it's actually proper. Okay, this icon doesn't have color, and the cards don't have background. Then this, they just kept it. Like later I will do some research in UI for filters. Okay, so basically I'm gonna do the split screen for a second, sorry. Okay, so this looks good. Just the icons for personally tested, quality guaranteed, don't have a color, so please look into that. And also the cards for the browse by category don't have background colors. So the icon has a background color, but the whole card doesn't. So please look at the design and then redo that. And also the counter for the handpicked stays is not working. And also in the design, those cards have like a light background. So it has a sand background color, and then the cards have like a white background. So if you can please check the design and then make those optimizations. Thank you. Okay, so we're not there yet. The counter's working, so that's good. But then this color, I think I can see design. I have an app called Color Slurp. Can you check the global CSS? The hero in the example has this background color. Also, the cards still don't have a background color. They do have a border, but no background color. Okay, so the hero is now working. It's just the cards. The cards still don't have a background color. Do we want to keep this? I think in the design it has like a lighter. Maybe that's just fine. Also, here there's a property counter, so we should add that. And the cards can be, probably when there's 4, it's smaller. Now it's just bigger because there's 3 only. Suspect that issue might be with the opacity class or tailwind, not generally one. Let me investigate. There we go. I think for the counter, what I'm gonna do is do this later. I'm gonna open Obsidian. Just gonna take a screenshot. Copy, and then for the stays, add counter for categories. And then just add the screenshot so we know that we still have to do that. Okay, now I want the same for the add dining marketing page, but use the light green color as background for the hero, so it matches with the home page. Let's see if it can just one-shot this thing, and will make my life easier. Okay, and then this, we need to do the same for the category pages, right? Yeah, I think it's way nicer. We're getting somewhere, guys. Whenever this is done generating, I will get back to you. Okay, our lives get so much easier with AI, guys. I think this is a very dark green though. Is it the same? Light green color. Okay, should be. The only thing I want is, we're using the same icons as the stay. Just use the same icons and cards for the personally tested, etc. with white background, same as the stays page. I don't know why it now comes up. I think it was also trying to use a complete different icon library, which doesn't really make sense. This also completely different card. Wait, stop. Also for the category cards, just reuse the same, so it's all consistent. Give word dining in the H1A green underscore. Oh wait, does it now revert everything? No, right. Just run and get back to you. Okay, I think this is good to go. Maybe I will add actually the light background here so it has better contrast. So we have the stays, we have the dining page, and then we need to ask for the, okay, so the last ones are the at stay marketing and at stay marketing location. Can you take the design from the stay page, but implement it in the category and location pages? Because we have those, right? So we have hotels, but I think we also have stays. Ubud? I don't know how this URL is populated. We'll have to check that. But we have location pages for that. So let's update this both, and then whenever that's done, experience we don't have. Maybe, oh wait, is it those? No, also this we need to update, by the way. We need to update all the page. Maybe what I'm gonna do, those pages I'm just gonna do off camera, like it's all the same repetitive thing, right? Like copy paste the design, and then I'm not sure if that's worth your time watching. Maybe for the single stay page, we can do together, because we can see if from a user perspective, maybe you guys also have some feedback. So maybe I do that together with you, and then for the rest, like location pages about us, I will just quickly do myself. So we don't have to wait for that and we can actually get going with the platform. So this episode, we're just going to wrap up the stays page, the location page, and category pages. And then after that, I quickly finish the rest of the pages, also the privacy policy, whatever. So it's all consistent, and then we can just move forward with the single pages and then getting the platform ready for go live. Okay, so this is saying here light beige background to match the mainstays, centered layout, typography, breadcrumb navigation, consistent styling. So if I now click hotels. Okay, we don't have the categories there. That's good because we don't need it. Okay, so that's working. This working, resorts. Okay, this is perfect. There's some errors that I need to resolve, but that's easy. Yeah, I kind of like it. What do you guys think? And then this should go to the stays page. Perfect. All right, I'm actually very happy with this. So I think I'm gonna wrap up here. I'm gonna push those changes live off stream. I'm gonna fix the pricing off stream, off video, sorry. And price per night. Maybe I'll do this on video if I can figure out a way to integrate this with booking.com. And then, but maybe we just do starting from price because it can always fluctuate, right? And then, yeah, then we get back to this whole list with things that we still need to fix. And then I think we're good to go. Then I just need to add more stays and that's it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. It's a short episode today, but the progress is quite good for today, I guess. So I'm going to fix the other pages so that's done and then we can move over to the next step. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you guys an amazing day and see you in tomorrow's episode.